So I just saw a little press conference by Joe Biden, and he's talking about how the president needs to follow the Constitution. It just makes me crazy because Joe Biden's talking about following the Constitution. Donald Trump and his side talks about they are following the Constitution by appointing a Supreme Court nominee. So Joe Biden wants him to follow Constitution.
And so let your current senators know that you want to be heard before a vote on confirmation of a new justice. And I urge every senator to take a step back from the brink, take off the blinders of politics for just one critical moment, and stand up for the Constitution you swore to uphold.
The Republicans, Donald Trump says he is following the Constitution.
Nancy Pelosi, Chuck Schumer, and Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez have officially shown their blatant disregard for the United States Constitution. Apparently, it is now a high crime and misdemeanor worthy of impeachment for a lawfully elected President of the United States to exercise his constitutional duty. Article 2, Section 2 of the Constitution clearly states that the president, quote, shall nominate, end quote, justices of the Supreme Court when a vacancy occurs. No matter the time, no matter the politics of the day, the president is the president.
Do some research, find out what the Constitution says. As far as I know, it says when there's an opening, you're supposed to appoint someone to replace that open spot. Now, there certainly is something to be said about, what would you call it, a courtesy? I was thinking that the police are called to protect and serve, and there's laws of the land, but when they pull you over, when you get stopped by the police, there's a little leeway, there's a little bit of judgment on their part to decide if they're going to give you a warning, or if they're actually going to ticket you for some reason, or bring you to jail. The law may be clear, but they might just feel out the whole situation and decide, I'm just going to give you a warning, don't do it again, so to speak. So I certainly do understand where a percentage of the population, people on Joe Biden's side, the Democratic Party, would hope that the Republican Party, Donald Trump, would, as a good faith gesture, since the election is so close, to put it off, the nomination, so that the new president can nominate it. I certainly can understand that. Although Joe Biden's not asking for an olive branch, he's not asking for anyone to do this in good faith. He's saying, do what the Constitution says. And if that's what he's asking for, then it sounds like that Trump is doing what the Constitution says to do. So again, simpleton mechanic, trying to figure it out. So watch both sides, watch the channels, decide for yourself, following the law verbatim or the spirit of the law. It sounds like historically it's been done before, so it's not precedence, though there have been times where people have not nominated. Specifically, they mentioned Abraham Lincoln, so it goes both ways. So check that stuff out and decide, is that enough to make you change your vote one way or the other on what you find out on this one subject? Does one subject cause you to vote one way or the other? Whether it would be a death penalty issue, abortion issue, gay and lesbian rights issues, do you choose one topic to decide your candidate? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks. Take care. Vote.